Hi everyone, that is the second video. Example 5. Example 5. So if I want to combine them, I need the same denominator. So what is the LCD? LCD. So it's what? Cosine 1 plus sine. So the first one I am multiplying cosine. The second one I am multiplying 1 plus sine. One plus sine. So I got that. So since I had the same denominator, I can combine them. So FOIL those two. Combine the late term. So I am using that formula. Sine square plus cosine square. So I got 1. One side plus one side is what? 2. Combine the late term. And those two right here, I'm sure you can see that, GCF. So 1 plus sine, 1 plus sine, cancel. I got 2 over cosine, reciprocal. So I'm done. They are exactly same. So let me repeat that. Let me repeat example 5. So what's the LCD? LCD is what? Cosine 1 plus sine. So I multiply cosine on the first one, and I multiply 1 plus sine on both of them. So I got that. And then what? I FOIL. So do you see the FOIL here? I FOIL those two. I got that. Combine them. Combine the late term. Cosine square plus sine square. I get 1 using the formula. So I get 1 right here. 1 plus 1 is 2. GCF. So I took the 2 outside. I got 1 plus sine. So 1 plus sine and 1 plus sine, they are cancelled. So I got what? 2 over cosine. Reciprocal. So 2 secant. So I'm done. That is example 5. So let's move on example 6. So I am working on that side. That's 2 term. So I get 2 term, I get 1 term. So I am using difference of 2 square. So I multiply 1 minus cosine. 1 minus cosine. So I got that. And then what? I am using what? Different of 2 square. Different of 2 square. So I got different of 2 square. So I am using the first formula from what? From 650. So I got right here, I got 1. So let's change a little bit. They are same. They are same. So I am using what? Sine square replace what? That one. Replace that one. Sine square replace that one. And then what? Since what? The square. So I do 2 of them. One of them they cancel. So I got 1 minus cosine on the top and sine on the bottom. So are they exactly same? Yes. I'm done. So let me repeat example 6 one more time. So I'm working on that one here. So that one here, I'm using what? Different of 2 square. So I multiply 1 minus cosine, 1 minus cosine for both. I got that. And then what? Combine those two. That's a difference of 2 square. I got that. And then what? 1 minus cosine square. I am using the formula from what? 650. Do you see how we got sine square plus cosine square equal 1? Do you see how we got changed that? From here to here. So I am using what? 1 minus cosine equivalents what? Sine square. So sine square equal to 1 minus cosine. So I am using what? Sine square replace what? 1 minus cosine. So I got that. And then what? Sine square. I cut into what? 2 of them. So one of them, they are cancelled. I still have 1 of them right here. So those 2 they cancel. I got those 2. So they are exactly same. I'm done. That's example 6. After this video, we have 1 more video for chapter 5.1. So thank you. So I will stop right here. You can move on to the 3rd video. I'm stop right here. Thank you.